All right, today is Zippo Saturday, and my best James Bond recommendation is Goldfinger. I've seen all the James Bond movies, and I think this one is the best. And if you don't like serious James Bond movies, you can see Austin Powers in Goldmember. Pretty silly. So let's take a look at today's Zippo. Okay, this is the 2018 collectible of the year, the Golden Scroll. It's a limited edition. Zippo Manufacturing in Bradford, PA. Now this one comes in that, well, it has that protective white sleeve. It also has a presentation box, the 2018 collectible of the year, Golden Scroll. And it has some info on the back. It's a limited edition. Elegant design. Let's take a look at it. And it does have a hologram sticker on the inside, and it's, I don't know if that is the number of the lighter or just the product number. So here it is, got a little bit of padding. There is the Golden Scroll, and this is gold plated. See, it's got the little mirrors on the sides. Very nice presentation box. Like I said, it is gold plated. That is carved into the body. And on the bottom, right over here in the right corner, it's got the flame over the A shield. That means it is an armor. Pretty good stampings, although they're so somewhat messed up by the gold plating. And it's got the ZL on the left upper for Zippo Limited. And there's the 18, made in 2018, made in USA. And it's got the gold plated insert. It's a steel insert, but it's got gold plate. I think it's gold plate. Looks like it is. I'm not going to light this one up. This is a collectible. I'm going to keep it nice and clean. But it does sound good. So that is the 2018 limited edition gold plated Zippo, made in USA. And I think it could use a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.